Hello friends, what's up? I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, today I'm going to tell you something different which is in 6th standard syllabus. Okay, so let's we move towards our today's video. Friends, if you like this video, if you are new watcher here, then please subscribe this channel for getting you latest and new videos to you. Okay, let's we move towards our today's new topic. So here is the new topic 2.3, a wall magazine for your class. Now the student has to make the wall magazine for their class. Okay, so this is the title. Now look in the matter what the suggestions are there. Students of 6A bubbled with enthusiasm all the time, so they are enthusiasm happy all the time. Students of what? Student of 6th standard. Okay, beat sports, hobbies, studies. Okay, so the every time they happy, whether they are sports, they are hobbies, or they are doing study, so all the time they are enthusiasm, they are happy. This year they surprised the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine, and now this time this year they surprised for what? For for bringing out a wall magazine. Okay, so this time they are going to make a wall magazine. The idea became so popular that soon there were unique wall magazines in almost every class in the school. This is what class 6A did to plan and prepare their wall magazine. Now all classes were doing their this wall magazine. Now the 6th class A, so they are preparing also for this wall magazine. Okay, now let's see. First, the students and class teacher of 6A brought several children's magazines and pages of children's sections in periodicals and newspapers to the classroom. Now, this is the first way, or what we can do at very first. So, students and class teacher of 6th class A, they should brought several magazines of the children's and then pages of different sections like a periodicals, like a newspapers, and all that. They come together with that into the classroom. Then they studied the contents to see what all was included in the magazine, and now they all prepared. They all should study what they want use or what they want paste on the wall magazine. Okay, so they should have the prepare. There was a tremendous variety: stories, poems, puzzles, riddles, craft, ideas, informative articles, interesting tidbits of information, jokes, board, games, book, review, quizzes, study tips, health tips, and even recipes also. So there were so many and different varieties of that periodicals or that magazines. What are there? Like puzzles, riddles, craft ideas, and all that include there. And they have to select that and paste into the that wall magazine what they are prepared for. Okay, then next, after studying all the material, a discussion was held in the class to choose sections for their own magazines. Now, after studying this all, they took all that material, they discussed on that, and they choose which material that they want use for class magazine or that wall magazine. Okay, then it was decided that how they was decided. Look here, it is there would be at least 4 issues of the magazine. So at least there were 4 issues. There should be the 4 issues of the magazine. There would be a separate team for each issue, and now there would be the separate team for each issues, each point. The team would have an editor. Now the team would have an editor, one or two, and two sub editors. Okay, so illustrators, artists, and then and writers, those who actually copied or typed the issue in beautiful letters. So they want that editors, sub editors, illustrators, artists, writers, and those who have the quality to paste there very beautifully their letters. Okay, then next, anyone in the class could send contribution to the issue. So anyone can send the contribution, means anyone can say anything on that issue, and they can put his or her information there. The editors would select the articles to be included, and their decision would be final. Now editors decision would be final. Okay, if someone put their information about anything, so editor can choose it, and that was the editor's decision whether it will be put into the wall magazine or not. So it was all editor's decision. Then first, there would be 4 different teams to work on the 4 issues. So there were 4 different teams for different issues, for 4 issues. Okay, then the columns, regular features in all 4 issues were planned with the help of class teacher. Now it was all planned with the help of the class teacher, and the columns, regular features, and all 4 issues, so it were all planned with the help of the class teacher. Then apart from the editorial teams, more groups were made to run columns like craft ideas, recipes, okay, ideal help, science corner, etc. So all that columns they can put there, they can make there. It was the job of these groups to collect material for their respective columns. Now it was their job to make these groups and to collect the material for their respective columns. Okay, now with the teacher's help, a prominent place was fixed to display the magazine in the classroom. Now with the class teacher's help, the prominent place, they have to fix where to display that magazine in the classroom. A long discussion was held to choose a good name for the magazine, and now a long discussion was held what to choose a good name for that magazine. So all that they did in together. Now in the next page, here is one wall magazine, and that student has to make this type of wall magazine. So the title is jokes. Okay, so how the students made the joke. Look, this is the first joke in the left side, another one is the right side. So this type of magazine, that students has to made. Okay, so this type of magazine you make at your home. Okay, so your homework is that you make a list of your jokes and paste it into the one grade paper and paste it on the wall in your at home. Okay, so this is your homework. You complete this, make a very beautiful and good, collect all the jokes and paste into the wallpaper. Okay, so this is for all about. Okay, we'll have to stop here, and then we'll see in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.